Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, yes, finally the Galaxy Watch Active 2 has been released. And as we thought, people, yes, it looks like the original Galaxy Watch Active, but there are some differences with this smartwatch. First of all, you got the buttons on the side. They look a little different from the original, but you still got the same functionality. And that huge bezel has some function to it, and I can understand and see why Samsung left that there. Now you do have a rotating bezel. All you have to do is simply rotate your finger around it, and it seems pretty fluid. Now we're gonna wait till we actually get the smartwatch. We're gonna test it ourselves to see how fluid it really is on a consistent basis. But so far, the video that I have saw, it looks actually really good. Now I do like the fact that they gave us two smartwatches instead of one. So of course, we talked about it before, we are going to get a 40mm and we're going to get a 44mm in size. Now also, we're getting a Bluetooth version and we're getting an LTE version. Now I may check out the LTE version simply because you get a stainless steel casing with this one compared to the aluminum. The aluminum looks pale in comparison to this. This really makes this watch stand out and look a little bit more premium than the original Galaxy Watch Active. Now the huge bonus to this, to me, in my opinion, is going to be the speaker. A speaker has been added onto the smartwatch, which made sense. Don't know why they didn't do it to the original, but that's A-OK. It's here now. We are getting the ECG, but it will not be activated till sometime in 2020. Now Samsung has made the watch a little bit more sensitive to be able to track your steps, your exercising, and give you more accuracy in doing so. So I'm looking forward to seeing if that's true or not. We can't find out until we actually get the watch in-house, but when we do, we will check it out. But we are getting Bluetooth 5.0, which should give us some distance in between, more distance in between our smartwatch and our smartphones. Now there is going to be a UI change, which I'm looking forward to seeing on the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active. I like what I see. There's a lot of applications, a lot of different features and functions that has been added to this. This definitely is a change compared to the original Galaxy Watch Active. I do like what I see, and I think Samsung is doing a great job thus far. Now if you want to pre-order this, you can pre-order this smartwatch, and when you do, you can get a free wireless charger portable battery with this. I don't know what that looks like. I do not know what it is, but when I pre-order, I'm quite sure I'll find out when I get it. Now, the release date for this smartwatch is going to be September 27th, and that's a little far out. Normally, after a phone is released, you're able to buy that phone 2 weeks after, not with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now the cost for the 40mm is going to be $280, and for the 44mm you're going to pay $300. So all in all, I like what Samsung has brought to the table so far. The software, the hardware looks the same. For those of you all who've been waiting on the rotating bezel, you have it. All right, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.